Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the recipe that dentists are hiding from us. It whitening teeth at home, and it removes teeth tartar naturally. The teeth tartar will fall on its own and you will get rid of it naturally, and you will whitening your teeth with very simple ingredients at home. You can get rid of teeth tartar and black on the teeth and stained teeth, and you will get white shiny teeth with very simple ingredients. The enamel will shine literally, and you will get an amazing results, my friends. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me. So make sure subscribe. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is 1 garlic clove, and we need to shred the garlic clove like so. As you can tell, we now shred the garlic clove. We need to add on it 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, mix well the ingredients. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and olive oil will get your enamel shiny, and it protects the teeth, and it's super effective in getting rid of teeth tartar naturally. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Like that, my friends. Now mix well all the ingredients. Now we need to store the ingredients. Place it in a container to store it like so. Now, my friends, how to use it: with your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth from down to up and from up to down like so, and focus on the stained teeth and the yellow of the teeth, and whitening the teeth naturally. It protects the enamel and it will get you an amazing result. It also protects the enamel without causing any side effects to the tooth itself. And my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. Use it twice daily to achieve the best result ever. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.